Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm just gonna give you a very quick update on the construction. So right now, this is the situation here. The scaffoldings are on the second floor. So they are closing this side. They already put some hollow blocks there, and you can already see the piping. This is the kitchen area. Okay, this side is the kitchen area, and this side is the toilet area. So those are the pipings on the ground and the water line as well. You can see it's not done yet. So this is the kitchen area. Okay, that is the water line and the piping. There you go. So this is the wall near the gate at the stairs area. So you can see that they already put some hollow blocks, and they're gonna close this area very soon, maybe next week. So here you can see the wiring embedded on the floor, as well as the piping. So this is the opening at the stairs. You can already see the columns have been cemented already. So this is the situation now on the ground floor. So on the top view, so they already put some rebars all over, and they plan to put cement flooring. That will happen next week. So since I was on the rooftop, the sunset mountain view was spectacular. It's gonna be like this every day, but if you're lucky, you're gonna get some sort of like this, something like this view. Okay, so it's a very beautiful view. It's very relaxing. So I can't wait to see the sunset view that is unobstructed. So if you haven't seen the previous videos of this construction, please do visit the playlist. I am putting it on the screen. Just click on that. And if you're very new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next Thursday for a Bisaya lesson. I'll see you then. Okay, thank you so much for your time today. Bye bye.